Greetings, family. Welcome to another one of my lovely videos. I am coming to you today to show you how to make an old-fashioned treat, delicious and nutritious. I am showing you how to make it vegan and cheesy, delicious, guys. So, follow along with me as I make my vegan, spicy, and regular vegan cheesy popcorn. So let's get started. I am using yellow popcorn and avocado oil for popping. It's important that you use those for the popping. I use coconut oil for the butter replacement, onion powder, pepper, garlic powder, salt, and of course, at the end, I will top it off with my nutritional yeast. So let's get started, guys.